Let's see how to make HTML email signature. First I'm going to make a design in Illustrator. File, new document, 4 centimeter width, 10 centimeter height. You can choose whichever size you wanted because it is for the web purpose. I just typed all the information and some social media icons, that whichever you wanted to link to click. Just arrange it as you wanted. If you want, you can use your pictures. If you don't need, you can also use the logo, whichever client needed. Once if you've done your custom design, you have to go to the Photoshop. Some people they like image kind of design, so you can just give them. After you done the illustration design, you can just convert into JPEG, then you can send them. If someone asked that they need clickable design, then after you done the design, you convert into JPEG, then bring the JPEG file into Photoshop. Make sure when you export the file format in maximum resolution, which is 300 dpi. Open the JPEG file into Photoshop. Use ruler, which is Command R in Mac, Control R in PC. From the ruler, drag and drop the guidelines wherever you wanted to use the clicks. Once you place all the guidelines, then use the slice tool. It will show top style. You can see slicer from guiders. Click that one, then click the selection tool, then go to file, save as for web. Make sure it is maximum JPEG, 100% quality, optimized, converted to RGB, copyright content info. Make sure you choose on the proper web browser. Image size, just leave it. It is the size you have chosen. It will convert into pixels, so don't change that one. If everything okay, click that icon, that web browser icon, so it will open. Also create a new folder. You can use any name under the folder. So we have to save the sliced image files inside the folder. Go to HTML file which you clicked from the Photoshop. Check the browser. You can see the HTML format file. Keep aside, open new window. You have to download that Sublime Text software, which is free. I have downloaded already, so I'm just opening it. It will look like this. Go to file, open. I'll give you a link under the description box, so you can click that one. I have already made it, so I'm just opening it. So once if you downloaded, then you just open it, that link. After you open that blank area, it will fill with the text which I already made it. Now in between those two lines, go to your browser which you opened already. Just copy from the body to end of the body, then paste it inside the Sublime. Just save. Save as. Use the same folder, use the name, different name, and then just save. Save. Now we are done with this browser, just close it. Now we have to go to that folder, open that browser which you saved. You can see the HTML file similar to this. There is no pictures attached, so now we have to link the pictures. Open new tab, you can type https postimages.org. So you can see the window like this. You have to choose the pictures. Just click the choose pictures and then you upload the pictures from your folder that which you saved from Photoshop. Once if it's uploaded, you can see like this. Go to quotes for all images. Make sure you click the direct link. Now you can copy all the links one by one. Make sure you're copying the proper image link into the proper place. If you have any confusions, you make sure you check the image number. You can see the first link image number is 6. You can see before the browser inverted comma, so from starting inverted comma to end of that 2 inverted comma, you have to just select all and the link you copied, you have to paste it here. Do this into all the links. Once you're done, you have to make sure save. Go to your HTML browser file and you have to refresh. You can see the difference from before. You can see all the pictures applied, not like before, blanks, but it is not clickable. For clickable, you have to make sure clickable format. You go back to that Sublime. I will also give this link. Just open it from your text reader. So you can just copy paste. Just copy the open bracket A to till the closing bracket before the image, and also that A to that slash before the TD. I'll show you how to copy paste. Whichever part you wanted to click, you make sure check the file name, then you have to add the code into that exact place. Now I'm going to add in that number 9, image number 9. Copying that and pasting it before that image, and also just choosing the same coding that wherever I wanted to place it, whichever I wanted to click. Once I done with the starting, and then I'm copying the end code, I'm pasting in that. Once I done everything, make sure I check everything is okay. If anything wrong, just change it. Now in between the inverted comma, you have to copy your link that where it has to go. So first I said google.com, so I am just copying the google.com in between the inverted comma. You copy all the links that you needed. Once if you've done everything, save and then refresh your page. Now you can see the clickable format. Now once if you click, it will go to your exact link. You can see. Select all the images, go to your Gmail account, go to the settings, scroll down. You can see the signature. You can see the signature. You can write down if you want your name over there, and also just go there and just paste it over here. Once all done, save the changes, go to your compose, click, you can see the window with the email signature. You can check once that is it working or not. Okay, click any icons, you can see it is going into your link. You are done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel for more useful videos.